Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the country complete Zenromatic package, wherein all the application comes into it, wherein you can extract the data, wherein you can send the WhatsApp messages, you can send the bulk email. So I'll be giving you an overview of all this application, and if you need the live demo, you can contact me on +965 222 04146. And I'll be starting with the Google Data Extractor, then LinkedIn, then Facebook, like complete social media extractor, then how to utilize those data extracted through bulk email and WhatsApp bulk sender. Okay, so we'll be starting with Google Map Lead Extractor. Okay, as you can see in the screen, Google Map Lead Extractor, it extracts the data like business name, address, phone number, email, website, and reviews, rating, and those things which is not that useful for us. Alright, so we'll start with this extractor. We'll first feed in the location from which we need to find the particular company details. So let's take an example. I need to fetch data of Kuwait, so you can put in the particular area name as well, or you can put in the directly country name. So I'll just put in the country name right now, and the keywords as in what type of business you are looking for, like let's say hardware, or apart from say, related to hardware, manufacturing, we can say manufacturing industry. Okay, so we'll just click on OK, and then if you want the email as well, we click on email, and how many record we want to fetch in. Let's say on a rough size, we'll fit in the 10,000 data. Okay, so it won't stop unless the all the data is completed. So we'll click on start, and this will start extracting the data from Google Business, or we can say Google Map, and whichever business is registered in Google under this category and this particular location, this will extract complete data. Alright, so as you can see, this has started extracting the data. The first one is a business name is S hardware, and the address of that. If they have a email, so this will give us the email ID as well. So whichever business is registered under hardware category and in location Kuwait, it will get you all the data. It will get you all the data, complete data. So if you are an IT company, you can utilize this thing, that if they have a website, if they don't have not having a website, you can message them for promoting their your website. Okay, so as you can see, like lots of data has been fetched. Around 102 is already fetched, and this will keep on fetching the data, unless all the hardware and manufacturing companies done, it's over in Kuwait. There's nothing left unless, and it will keep on fetching it. All right, so we'll stop this thing. We'll stop this unless it will start keep on searching for it. So we'll export the data. We'll click on export, and this will export the data in Excel file wherein all this data is stored together. You can open that file. Okay, so as you can see in your screen that this has fetched the data. These are the thing I don't need it, so I'll just simply delete it. I just need to see a website, their mail ID, their phone number, and so on. So once we click on phone, you can filter this thing. You need to know a basic Excel thing to filter this number and to get in the format. The ISG code is very much important, so I'll remove this space in between. Okay, so this data is completely compatible to our WhatsApp software. Alright, so you can simply copy paste this data and put it in a WhatsApp software. I'll show you how to use this data in a WhatsApp software, and how to use this mail data in your this thing in your WhatsApp or your bulk email. All right, so we'll go ahead with the LinkedIn now, with the LinkedIn email extractor. How LinkedIn Scraper helps us in getting more business. If you are targeting top industries, or like as in wherein the decision maker, or you cannot get in touch with the owner directly, wherein the IT manager or procurement manager, or like any type of marketing manager, those person comes into a picture. Okay, wherein you need to target those manager level position or executive level position people. So you just need to you'll open this email extractor, LinkedIn extractor, and you just select your country. For now, what I'll do it, I select Oman. Alright, I'll select Oman and I'll search for all the IT manager or IT director in Oman. And if you want a particular keywords to be there, like as in you need IT manager of only let's say real estate business or a hardware business or IT company, so anything you can just put in the either the keywords like as in the particular industry or location. Okay, so as in where like it should be the particular IT manager should be located in particular location or into a particular type of company. So right now what I'll do is I'll put in the hardware industry or a manufacturing industry. So any manager in manufacturing industry, IT manager in a manufacturing industry, it will fetch all their data. So I'll click on launch search. So this will open up the Google, and I'll put this. So see, this has started getting all the mail. You just need to click on next. That's it. This will fetch all their mail IDs. Click on 3. This will fetch all other mail IDs on. So this is LinkedIn Scraper. You can use this LinkedIn Scraper for sending your bulk mail or promoting your business to those people. You can present them the proposal and whatnot. Okay, so I'll close this right on. Okay, so I'll click on export and I'll save this file in a desktop. Mail ID Oman. So this will save in a text format. I close this up and you can open this mail ID campaign. So all these are mail IDs here, and you can send them the bulk email. Alright, so this is a LinkedIn Scraper. Now we'll see a social phone extractor, wherein you can extract the data from this Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and whatnot, like all the social media platform: Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, and all the web completely. So what now, I'll show the example of Facebook right now, and keyword will be anyone interested in, let's say, hardware. Or we'll search for the data in, let's say we are looking for data of retail outlet, retail shop. Okay, and you can give a location. Let's say I'll put in the location Kuwait, or let's say Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so I'll select Saudi ISG code. I need to give ISG code of Saudi Arabia. And Google, select search engine Google. Yeah, it will be a Google. WhatsApp numbers only. This will take time. If you select yes, WhatsApp numbers only, so it checks every number whether they are active on WhatsApp or not, or just all numbers. So I select all number because it takes time in filtering like how many numbers are active and are active on WhatsApp. So I'll click on submit. Alright, and I'll click on get data. So this will give me all the data of the retail shops in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So this will keep on searching the data unless everything is done. So this has extracted somewhere around 29 data, and this will keep on searching the data in Facebook, in Google, regarding their mobile numbers and their address and everything. It will search whichever thing is available in the Facebook. It will get you all the data. Alright, so even this will stop right now. We'll click on stop collection and we'll select all and we'll click on export. Okay, so this is completely all the data has been extracted from Facebook of related to shopping retail shop. Okay, so now we'll go bulk sender, wherein you can send unlimited messages, suggested 1000 message per day from a single number. You can use a multiple number to send the messages, as in from number 1 you'll be sending 1000 message, from number 2 you'll be sending another 1000 message, so you can use it in that way. So what we'll do here is the first sheet, here we fetch the number, so we'll completely copy this sheet with the data and we'll click on number filter, by which we'll be able to fetch only a WhatsApp active numbers. We are not interested in non-WhatsApp numbers, we are only interested in a WhatsApp numbers. Okay, so once we click, it has around 82 numbers, total numbers which you are having on a sheet, Excel sheet. Now what we'll do is we'll click on drag it to accurate and then we'll click on start filtering. Okay, so once we click on start filtering, it will give us the WhatsApp account and non-WhatsApp numbers, so we can save the WhatsApp numbers. Once we click on start filtering, it will ask me for to scan the QR code. Okay, so once we click on QR code, and this will minimize it, and so this has started fetching WhatsApp and non-WhatsApp numbers. So as you can see, it has fetched somewhere around 13 WhatsApp number, 14, and non-WhatsApp is for 32 till now out of 47. So there is a particular ratio, like when you fetch a data around 30 to 40%, you'll be getting a WhatsApp active numbers. So I'll do one thing, I'll stop it right now. Around 20 number is already extracted, so we'll stop this and we'll click on save. So these are our WhatsApp active numbers. Okay, so these are WhatsApp active number. I close this screen, and now what I'll do is I'll import the extracted WhatsApp active numbers. WhatsApp active, open, and now okay, if you have a name of that particular company, you can if you know the Excel, basic Excel, you can have a name also along with the number, and you can send them the message with their name, like as in hello, hello Hatem, or hello any particular name, so you can use it that way. So we'll click on import, and the number is imported on here. These are all WhatsApp active numbers. Okay, so this is how you can draft your message, kind of. You can send the link, you can send them any promotional engagement message or anything you can send through this application. Once you can attach the files or photos, you can attach videos, images, any document which you can send on a normal WhatsApp can be sent through this application as well. Okay, and the image is attached. This is the log wherein you get the report in the end, like how many message has been sent. Once we click on send, it will ask me like from which number I want to send the message. I can select the number here, and if the number is not added, like pre-added, so I'll select send from new fresh session and require OK. Once I click on OK, it will start sending a message to all the people, to all this 20 numbers, and with my text, with my images. So I'm not sending it right now because it will go to unknown peoples, and they will get irritated because of this unsorted, improper message. Alright, so to use this application, you should have your own cPanel email server, or you can also send it from your Gmail mail ID. If you want to send it through your official mail ID, that is your website name, that is at the rate whatever your website is .com. If you want to send it from them, from that you need to have a cPanel, your basically a website hosting panel, or if you're not having any official mail ID, then you can go ahead and connect it with your Gmail, Hotmail, those mail server. You can connect it with that. So from to it has to be selected, like as in from account is already there, to recipient you need to import the data here. Okay, you need to import the data, as in like you can import the data. I won't be able to do it right now. I import the data. You can draft the message, as in if you have a newsletter, if you have a email template ready with you, you can just simply copy paste your HTML code here, or we have a pre-designed a few template for your mail, like as in if it's an announcement kind of mail, we have a predefined basic HTML templates. You can use this one, or if you have a new one, so you can simply click on design and copy paste the code. Okay, so these are the pre-designed template which we are having it. Okay, so you can edit this thing, and you can use it for your message send. Email ID is SSL certified. Okay, if your domain is SSL certified, if it's a Google, perfect. If it's your own business email ID or business domain, then you need to have a SSL certificate. That's not a compulsory, but if you don't have it, the message might go to to spam folder. If Alright, so this was a complete demo of the all the 5 applications: GData Extractor, LinkedIn Scrapper, Facebook Extractor, Bulk Emailer, and the WhatsApp Bulk Sender. To avail this Sendromatic package, the price of it is a 99 USD.